You think the water going up? See, the water just not this way. It's the car.
So the drain pipe is clogged.
Yeah, the drain is clogged. You can put them. That of course still need to be.
To
Snake
find
the
a way
pipe.
to, okay, snake it and find a way to unclog the drain pipe. Alright, fine.
Yeah. Because that when the water coming out,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to people doing that. I need to cut the area here. Oh, cut in here. You can put them at a sump pump. Okay.
So if we put a sun pump here, Max,
But this he wanna be for them. You know, he wanna carry all the water. It's up to you. You can make a decision.
so definitely we know that water is not flowing the way it's supposed to.
The car.
So water is stuck in the drain, and paying attention, we see that the previous owner, the builder, they made this cut here on the concrete. So they have the cut on the concrete, they have the drain, and they have a waterproofing system here. I know it's hard to see on the video. They have the waterproofing system here. So because the drain pipe is clogged, water actually travels back from the drain pipe back into the house. So for now, the solution is to have a sun pump here. You get the water from the rain, from the drain pipe, and run the sun pump back into the yard.
That's the right. Come in here. You need to start with that one. Run away.
Which one is that?
This thing. Where you see? You see the drain pipe right there?
From the downspout?
So down that part.
Uh-huh. Yes. Okay.
Hola. Here.
Mm-hmm.
See what the people doing. But see something in here. You see.
No, we definitely see that they broke the concrete to do something. So first thing is to snake out the pipe.
I want to bring the snake 100 feet. You think working out?
Yeah, 100 feet would be good.
Okay.
Uh-huh. So snake out the pipe
Yeah.
and test with
Test
the
it
water
again.
again.
Yeah.
And see if the drain is open.
Yeah. Don't take it.
I'm not going to take it. Yeah, I'll leave it here.
Okay.
And it's,
Try again.
okay.
But the snake.
Uh-huh.
See, you can the water can cut that way.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to do anything else.
Yeah,
Put insulation
it will just be about
down.
cleaning the drain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the drain want to be clean. That's the number one.
That's the number one.
Mhm.
Got it.
All right. You want to go to 21st? It's
Yes.
done.
Yes.
It's finished.
No, I'm going there right now.
Okay.
All right, Max.
Not